Hey campers, Dustin with Hartleys RV Center. Right behind me I have the brand new 2023 Starcraft Super Lite. This is their 212 FB model. This is my #1 selling floor plan for the Starcraft, especially in the Super Lite series. This is a fiberglass exterior. Walk around and look at this thing. Starting right up front, we've got the power tongue jack. Two 30-pound propane tanks. Whole painted front cap, fiberglass front cap. Then we have the LED light. Nice big pass-through storage. Huge deep tall slide. Back here we have our docking station, all of our water connections. Down here is our dump station. 4 stabilizer jacks all the way around. 30 amp shore power. Outside spare tire. Walkable roof with the ladder. Right at the top of the ladder, you'll see that you have the outside, that's the backing for the outside camera. So you do have the wiring installed, which is the hard part. Now you just buy the backup camera to match that bracket. And it is a universal bracket. This is your fridge access, water pump. These are both, you just turn them on inside. So you don't have to deal with these, but these are access for future reference if you need it to replace anything in here or winterize it in here. Outside spray port. Nice long awning. I'll get into those specs when we're inside. Nice big entry door handle. Outside power. All magnetic doors. This is your door holder for your entry door. Furnace exhaust, and the other side of your pass-through storage. These aren't locked up. I don't have the key, but I'll show you those later. Right here is a magnetic door holder. Down here, going to show you tires. Nice aluminum wheels. Nitrogen filled. That's what that green valve stem stands for. 3-year limited warranty, so that's a structural warranty. This does have the 3-tier solid step on it. As you walk in, you'll see on the left-hand side our nice large fridge. This is a 2-way fridge. It's either ran off electric, or this is the electric or propane. Then going into, no, this is a 3-way fridge. My apologies, guys. This is an upgraded 3-way fridge. I had to think about it a little bit. Then we're going into the bathroom. Bathroom does have the fan up top and the skylight over the shower. Nice upgraded glass doors. Sink. And behind the toilet. Coming out of the bathroom. This folds out. This folds out into a bed too. It's got to be close to a double. I mean, it's a pretty big bed. It comes right out to about here. This ottoman pops up. And right there's your table. This table right here. Tall, deep slide. No carpet. Go into the bed. Nice walk around queen size bed. Lots of storage underneath. Storage on the side. In the middle for a tote or dog crate. And storage on the other side. A couple drawers. Over here. That goes right down to your pass-through storage. It's like a little laundry chute. Over here are your nightstands on both sides. They have plugs right behind them, plugs on the wall. Then above are your storage, your wardrobe. That's on both sides. And then your storage and your cabinets up top. Alright, and over here on your wall, kitchen wall. You got your nice 39-inch smart TV right here. JBL stereo down here. Beautiful countertop. Oven. 3-burner stovetop. Hood and fan. Microwave. More cabinets. Down to your sink. Beautiful sink. Comes with a cutting board. Stainless steel. Over here is your control panel. Water heater, all your tank levels, slide in and out, awning, exterior light. Now to go over some of the specs with you guys. The 212 FB. All right. Square footage is 187. Unloaded weight, 4825. Total dry hitch weight, the tongue weight, is going to be 425 pounds. Gross weight on this, 6,400 pounds. Cargo, the gross cargo capacity is going to be 1,575. Overall exterior length, 23 foot 8 inches. Exterior height, 11 foot 1 inches. Exterior width, 8 foot 1 inches. Exterior width with the slides out, 11 foot 3 inches. Interior height, 6 foot 9 inches. Fresh water capacity, huge at 51. 51 gallons for fresh water. Gray water is 29 and black water is 29 gallons. Then you have your 60-pound propane tanks with two 30-pounders up front. Tire size of 14. Then you have a 12-foot awning. That is the 2023 Starcraft Super Lite 212 FB. I hope you guys liked the video. I've got a lot more coming. Check them out and subscribe. Thank you.